Hey guys, I'm back with a storm of some awesome news. The Galaxy S9 is a done thing, it's just around the corner. Recently, we saw the official lilac purple Galaxy S9 and now, due to the popular demand, EvLeaks leaked the official coral blue version of the S9 Plus. And I have to say, both of these colors are super hot. He also posted the new Samsung DeXpad, which we heard about a couple of months ago. Now it's confirmed that this is how this Samsung DeXpad will look. We got our ports down below, 2 USB ports, 1 HDMI, and 1 USB Type-C port. Like the name suggests, it's a pad. You can leave the phone on it horizontally instead of vertical. In this way, the phone's headphone jack will not get blocked, and you will get the option to use the screen as mouse or keyboard, so this horizontal orientation is better for that usage. And look at that big AKG powered speaker. It's wider and bigger than the one found on the Galaxy S8. The Galaxy S9 is going to be the first Samsung phone to have the stereo speaker system. It was a much needed change and it's finally here, and we still have our good old headphone jack. Samsung is still keeping the headphone jack in 2018 on all of its phone while other manufacturers are getting rid of it for nothing. So thank you, Samsung. And also, the official Hyper Knit covers are leaked for the S9 in different colors, including the pricing. Alright, now Galaxy S9 is completed. In Samsung's own word, it's an improved Galaxy S8. You're getting an insanely fast processor, amazing camera sensors, dual camera for the first time with the Galaxy S series, a better fingerprint scanner, and an improved iris camera on the front for better security. The Galaxy S9 is a perfect Galaxy. At this point, this is the perfect Samsung phone that you can buy without missing out on any features. Samsung has certainly done it again. They have succeeded in making the most complete flagship. And now they have already turned their attention to the 10th anniversary Galaxy smartphone. They are working on something far bigger. So yesterday we got a new patent document of a full screen Galaxy smartphone. It's the second time that something like this is happening. Last time we talked about the holes in display method, and today's document states a different / more traditional approach. So the main goal with the 10th Galaxy flagship is to have a full screen look. There are a couple of ways to do this, and Samsung is going for the number 2 as far as this document is concerned. You can see we have a full front infinity screen with pressure sensitivity, or you can say force touch technology. There is a top bezel to accommodate the sensor, front camera, and earpiece, and the rest is just screen, so no bottom bezel. It's not quite 100% screen like the last patent, but it's definitely close. The whole device will be controlled by 3 on-screen pressure-sensitive navbar keys. We have never seen a fully pressure-sensitive display from Samsung, so this shows that they have full plans on making one with force touch. So 3 navbar keys and an on-screen fingerprint scanner will be implemented as well. At the lock screen, the phone will display a big lock icon. You'll see the spot for the fingerprint scanner. Unlocking the phone, you'll see the navbar keys will be presented. You will have the option to hide or unhide the navbar keys just like on the current Galaxy phone. The Force Touch is implemented everywhere, so you can see the Force Touch on the Play Store icon. Another example is in the browser where force touching the image will make it bigger. Force Touch on the video will give you the option to play or pause. Force touching the middle navbar key will give you options to launch voice assistant or other list of apps. It's not as detailed document as the last one, and it's also in Korean, but the main thing going on here is that their goal is to make a full screen display phone and also implement force touch technology. Now big shout out to Mark Peters from Let's Go Digital for this information, and guys, this full screen infinity thing is real. They are bringing this to their laptops as well. Another recent patent has revealed that Samsung is also working on a full screen bezel-less Ultrabook, which might be introduced alongside with the 10th anniversary Galaxy S phone. Like I said, the 10th anniversary flagship will show the absolute pinnacle of innovation from Samsung. I don't think this huge change will come with the Galaxy Note 9. The Note 9 will also be a better and improved / perfect Galaxy Note 8. You'll see upgrades every year, but the design will mainly remain the same. There's a reason why Samsung is doing this. They want to give you something bigger for the 10th anniversary Galaxy S phone, and then eventually for the 10th anniversary Galaxy Note phone. It's their 10th phone. It's a big deal. They want to introduce a phone that will start a new era. Look at what Apple did with their iPhone 10. It was such a huge change, killing off the Touch ID. It's like a completely new generation. So Samsung will be doing something similar and something special, something big with their 10th anniversary Galaxy S phone. It might be called as Galaxy S10. It might be called as just Galaxy 10. We don't know yet. There might be a change in the name, but we'll call this Galaxy S10 for now. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about this ultimate full screen beast. And the giveaway for the Galaxy A8 2018 is still up and running on the channel. Winners will be announced 10 days from now, so February 20th is the day. If you are not entered, all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to give me a follow on Instagram and Twitter. That's where I'll be announcing the winner, and also leave a comment below on this video so that you can be picked as a nominee. And yeah, best of luck for that, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.